All right, my third video is on Geogebra. Geogebra is another math app. It's very similar, or has a lot of similarities to Desmos, where you can do the graphing and showing the equations and uh, those kinds of things. But where it is a little bit different, especially for what I teach, is geometry. It's got a lot of like drawing functions available. Let me pull some of them up. So not only can you like graph lines and things like that, but you can also create different polygons, and then you can take those polygons and you can measure the different angles. So like angle B would be 116 degrees, and you can measure angle C, angle D, and we'll just get all these angles measured. You can then take and kind of move those measurements around to display them a little bit better. You can change the size of them so you can see them a little bit. Then you can also take and be a little interactive, and you can take some of the points and move them around and kind of demonstrate and look at how the angle measures change as you move things around. So that's one of the benefits of GeoGebra over Desmos, is you can do some of the more geometric type stuff. So let me get rid of this. Just want to delete this whole thing. So clear and don't save. Right. Other things you can do, like I can draw a line, or I can draw a line segment, and then I can measure that segment. So it's 6.9 units long. I can take and move the endpoints to change the length or change the angles. So I can do that. I can take with just a couple of clicks, and I can make a line that is parallel to that. Let me do this. So now I have a line that's parallel to that one, and if I move one of them, they both move, so they'll stay parallel. There's some other drawing. I can make a line that's perpendicular, and then I can move that line around. So I can move this line around, slide it back around, and then if I move my original line, everything stays the way it was drawn. There's a lot of other functions you can do. You can draw different circles, and they're all useful in creating different drawings for geometry. And then there's also a lot of like pre-made drawings with the sliders and things like that that you can use. So fairly useful tool, especially for geometry. If you just want a graphing one, Desmos might be a little bit better. But if you want to do the drawings of the polygons and things like that, GeoGebra is probably a little bit better option for you.